Hi my lovely friends, welcome back to yet another nail art video. In today's video I'm going to be sharing a cute pride nail art design as it's the Pride month going on. And hey, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, welcome here. On this channel I post easy DIY nail art designs as well as reviews of affordable nail polishes every week. So if this is something that interests you and you like watching nail art videos, then please do consider subscribing. And also don't forget to click on that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I post a new video. Now let's quickly jump into today's nail art design. As you can see from the pictures, I'm going to be using the classic French nail design as my base for this nail art. And also I'll be using all the different colors of nail polishes that I had in my stash to create the Pride nail art design. So before we begin, let me tell you a quick way to make French tips without using any guides or any stamping plates at all. It's a very simple way and you will be amazed to see the results. So let's quickly get started by creating the French mani base. So for this I have used a translucent nail polish from Essence Cosmetics, and I'm going to be applying a very thin layer of this nail polish over all of my nails. The reason I'm using this translucent nail polish as the first step to my French mani is that it gives me a smooth base as well as it helps in hiding any yellow stains that I might have on my natural nails. So it's not a necessary step. You can skip this step if you wish, but I always like to apply a very thin layer of this nail polish whenever I go for a French manicure. Now if you are wondering where to get this kind of translucent nail polish from, these nail polishes are always a part of any French manicure nail polish kit or set. So you can go for any branded French manicure nail polish kit or set and you will get one of these in that kit. Or if you wish to buy the same that I am using, then let me know in the comment section. So this is how my nails look after a very sheer coat of this nail polish. Now I'm going for classic white French tips, and for that I'm using this nail polish from Miniso. It's called Pichura nail polish, and it's a really opaque white nail polish in number 04 and it's called pure white. So I'm going to use a special technique and I'll share my secret of how to create the French manicure without using any guides or any tools or stamping plates, etc. So all you need to create your French manis using this technique is your nail polish brush itself. So as you can see, I am taking my nail polish brush and I'm starting from one end of my nail, and while I'm pressing the nail polish brush over my nail, I am also turning the nail from left to right without moving the brush, and that gives me a real clean straight line for my French tip. So again I'm showing you, I start from one end and then I just keep pushing the brush while moving my finger from left to right, and this is very quick way to get a clean line for your French tip. And then after that I just go back and fill in my edge, the free edge, with the white nail polish. See, it's quite simple. I might go and clean up a little bit here and there using a nail art brush if I'm only going for French tips, but as today I am going to be making a colorful design over these French tips, so I didn't even go and clean up that line at all. I let it be as I got it in the first attempt. And see, it's quite simple. You just have to keep your brush stationary and move the finger or nail you are making the French tip on, and that's how you get a clean line like so. I'm sure you're going to love this technique of creating French tip because it's just hassle free. You don't need anything at all. If you don't want to paint the translucent layer, you just need the white nail polish and some nicely shaped nails and you can straight away go ahead and create your French tips. using your nail polish brush itself. So do give it a try, and if you do, then let me know how it went in the comment section below. Now I'm just going to use a little bit of nail polish remover and a small nail polish nail art brush, and then I'm going to clean my edges. If any nail polish went on to my skin, I'm just going to clean that up to give my French mani a nice and clean look. This is a very important step and we should not skip it, because this step makes sure that our nails look nice and tidy and professionally done. Now I'm going to be using all the different colors, starting from purple, then I'll go for blue, pink, yellow, green, all sorts of colors I had in my stash, and I'll create a topcoat design over these French tips. So when I started making this design, I didn't had any plan in my head. I just knew that I'm going to use all the different colors to represent the Pride month, and I only knew that I'm going to use those colors over a basic French manicure. And so I started off by creating a double row of these dots in different colors, and as you can see, I started off by the purple color, and then I poured the drop of blue nail polish over the plastic sheet. As you always know, I use a plastic sheet for this purpose because I can then trash it later on. It's easy and simple, and plus you are reusing your plastic, so it's good for environment as well. So I just use this plastic sheet and then I pour a drop of whatever nail polish I need, and I'm using this tiny dotting tool and creating some double dotted lines in the same color over all my nails. And I am going on all my nails together rather than making the dots on one nail and then moving on to the next nail. I prefer to make the dots in the same color over all my nails, because this just saves time and you have to pour the nail polish once only. So now I'm going with the orange nail polish, and I'm just going to create the same dotted pattern, but I'm just somehow going circular. And at this point I made up my mind that okay, I'm going to make a circular shape or maybe an oval shape using various colors and dots in those various colors. So now I went ahead with my pink nail polish, and I'm now creating some pink dots over all my nails. How can I forget using the pink color? That's my favorite color. And that reminds me to ask you, what is your favorite color? Do comment down in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you and know which is your favorite color. So after pink, I'm going with the red nail polish and creating some red dots, going in the circular fashion. I've almost created half of the circle. Now after this, I'm going to repeat the same set of colors. So I again poured a drop of Revlon purple nail polish, and I am going to create a double dotted pattern with the purple nail polish and over all my nails. And then I'll repeat the same step with the other nail polishes as well, the blue, green, yellow, orange, pink, and then red. So it's quite a simple design, and I don't think you need to follow the exact same pattern for creating this design. You can follow your heart and create whatever you want. You can go for squares, you can create some scattered dots in colorful polishes, however you wish. The main idea was to create the basic French manicure first, and then go ahead and use all different sorts of colors you have available with you in your stash, and then use them to create different dots. So this is how the manicure looks almost. It's almost complete. Now I'm going back and filling in the gaps using some green nail polish over here and blue and yellow over my thumb. The circle, as you can notice, over my thumbnail was quite big, so I had to go a few steps further to complete it. And so this is how it looks completed, and I'm quite impressed. It was quite simple, it was fun, it's colorful, and as you know, always our final step is to paint our nails with a good layer of top coat. This protects our manicure from damaging, as well as it gives it a final glossy look, which we all want because it makes it look so shiny. I'm quite impressed with this cute nail art design, and I hope you really enjoyed watching this video and you liked the design. If you did, then please don't forget to hit that like button, because that keeps me encouraging to create more and more nail art fun nail art designs for you guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you are going to rock these pride nails, or use this video as the inspiration for your pride nails, then please do share your pictures over Instagram and tag me in using the hashtag SharingMyMojo. I'd love to see your recreations over there. Alright then, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and happy inside your homes. Bye.